How to leverage artificial intelligence in online trading. Welcome, intrepid voyagers of the virtual financial oceans. You're about to embark on a thrilling journey where the currents of trading and the winds of artificial intelligence will guide your ship through the tumultuous waves of the stock market. Picture this: algorithms battling in microseconds, robots managing portfolios, and your very own AI sidekick sifting through mountains of data to find the treasure you seek. Are you ready to command the helm and navigate these thrilling seas with the most advanced technologies known to mankind? Well, strap in as we set sail to explore the uncharted waters of online trading, powered by the limitless potential of artificial intelligence. As we hoist our sails, let's first chart our course by understanding what AI really is before we dive into how it can make waves in our trading strategies. What is AI? In a nutshell, AI comprises machine learning algorithms that simulate human intelligence. This means the machines can learn from data and then make decisions or predictions based on that data. This is an ideal fit for the stock market, which is essentially a vast ocean of data. Algorithmic trading. First up is algorithmic trading. It's essentially using complex AI algorithms to make trading decisions. The big advantage here is speed. These algorithms can spot trends and execute trades in fractions of a second. This is something known as high-frequency trading. Algorithms can analyze market data, execute orders, and even optimize your trading strategy in real time. For instance, AI systems can use techniques like sentiment analysis to scour the internet for public sentiment on certain stocks, analyzing news articles, tweets, and more, and to make trading decisions based on that information. Predictive Analytics. Now let's talk about predictive analytics. Predictive models, powered by AI, can forecast price and market movements. This involves analyzing historical data and market trends to make predictions about future movements. Tools like neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain, can recognize patterns in large datasets that are beyond the scope of human analysis. While not foolproof, these predictions can be incredibly accurate. Data, and more data. This is where AI shines. You have the power to tap into big data for insights that were unimaginable a few years ago. AI systems can process vast amounts of information, including market indices, economic indicators, and corporate financial data to find trading opportunities. Portfolio management. Next up, let's focus on portfolio management. Robo-advisors are AI applications that manage investment portfolios. They can analyze a mountain of data to construct a portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and investment goals. Companies like Betterment and Wealthfront are already pioneering in this space. Now, how about a sprinkle of social trading? With AI, you can integrate social trading platforms like eToro or Zulu Trade into your strategy. These platforms allow you to follow and copy the trades of experienced investors. AI algorithms help you find traders with strategies that match your investment goals and automatically copy their trades. Risk management. What about the risks, you ask? AI systems can help with risk management by predicting how investments might perform under various market conditions. By simulating different scenarios, they help traders understand potential risks and rewards. This is vital in creating a balanced and resilient investment portfolio. However, it's not just the financial data that AI can process. By analyzing news headlines, social media posts, and other text data, AI can gauge the market sentiment toward a particular asset. For instance, news of a merger between two companies can cause their stock prices to soar. An AI system that can quickly analyze the news and assess market sentiment can provide an edge in trading. Let's not forget about the customization. AI systems allows for custom strategy development. You can develop a trading strategy that is specifically tailored to your trading style and goals. Through machine learning, the system can then refine the strategy as it learns from the data it processes. Anomaly detection. Another vital aspect is anomaly detection. Financial markets can be unpredictable. AI can help in identifying anomalies such as hidden price changes, which might indicate an upcoming market event or a change in market conditions. Being able to quickly identify and understand these anomalies can give traders a significant advantage. Moreover, AI brings automation to the table. This means you can set your strategy and let the algorithm take care of the rest. This is particularly useful for those who cannot dedicate the whole day to trading but still want to take advantage of market movements. However, with great power comes great responsibility. It is essential to approach AI with caution. While AI can analyze data and make predictions, the markets are influenced by a myriad of factors, and there's always an element of unpredictability. It's crucial not to rely solely on AI, but to use it as a tool in conjunction with sound trading strategies and judgment. Ethical considerations. Furthermore, ethical considerations come into play. There's a growing concern about the impact of AI and algorithmic trading on the market's stability and fairness. Regulatory bodies are still grappling with how to oversee these new technologies. As a trader, it's important to be aware of the broader implications of using AI. When AI hits rough seas, navigating the pitfalls. As we set sail in the tempestuous seas of trading with our AI-powered ships, let's talk about the endless possibilities that you might not even have imagined. Hold on to your captain hats, because this ride is going to be a blend of futuristic tech and modern-day trading wisdom. Ahoy, chatbots! Imagine having a tireless first mate on your ship, available around the clock, catering to your queries and offering insights. Well, AI-driven chatbots are here to serve just that purpose. These chatbots have evolved beyond basic Q&A tools. They can now understand complex queries, provide you with market summaries, and even execute trades on your command. This brings convenience and speed to your trading adventure, as your AI chatbot keeps a keen eye on the market while you savor your cup of coffee. Up next, let's fish for some alpha with alpha generation. In the trading world, alpha refers to the excess return on an investment relative to the return of the broader market. AI can help you fish out those elusive alpha-generating opportunities. By sifting through unconventional data sources like satellite images of parking lots for retail traffic analysis, or analyzing consumer trends on e-commerce platforms, AI can find nuggets of information that can lead to profitable trades. It's like having a treasure map where X marks the spot for your next big trading opportunity. What's a sea voyage without some camaraderie? Trading used to be a rather solitary endeavor, but not anymore. AI-powered collaboration tools can connect traders globally. You can share insights, strategies, and experiences. Imagine being part of a virtual trading room where traders from around the world pool their knowledge. This can be particularly useful during major market events when traders can share real-time insights and strategies. AI adds a layer of smartness to this by filtering and presenting you with the information that aligns with your trading preferences. Now, let's venture into the uncharted waters of creative strategy building. Usually, traders have a set of strategies they rely on. But what if AI could concoct a strategy that no human mind has thought of yet? By using genetic algorithms, AI can evolve and refine trading strategies over generations of algorithms. It's survival of the fittest, where trading strategies compete, and only the most profitable ones survive. You could end up with a novel trading strategy that could be the top of profits. But as we cruise through these waters, it's essential to remember that not all voyages are smooth sailing. AI, for all its might, has sometimes steered the ship into stormy weather. Let's drop anchor for a moment and talk about some instances where AI fell short in trading, and how a seasoned captain, that is human intervention, could have or did salvage the situation. Prime example is the infamous flash crash of May 6, 2010. AI algorithms are designed to trade at lightning-fast speeds, but this can sometimes lead to unexpected consequences. During the flash crash, algorithmic trading systems reacted to a large sell order by accelerating selling activity. In a matter of minutes, the Dow Jones plummeted nearly 1,000 points, only to recover shortly after. It was a stark reminder that AI lacks the ability to think critically and assess situations beyond the data. After the flash crash, regulators and trading firms recognized the need for circuit breakers that would halt trading if prices plummet too quickly. These are designed to give humans time to step in and assess the situation. This illustrates that AI algorithms need to be complemented with human oversight to manage extreme market conditions. In the boundless ocean of trading, AI is like the state-of-the-art navigation system guiding the ship. But never forget the importance of a seasoned captain, human intuition, and experience in steering the ship clear of storms and into prosperous waters. Before we end our voyage, let's talk about sailing smart with AI-driven personal assistants. Imagine a virtual Alfred to your Batman, managing your trading life. From setting up meetings with brokers to reminding you of the earnings reports and even giving you a rundown of your trading performance. These personal assistants can streamline your trading and free up your time for the more strategic elements of trading. Well, the integration of artificial intelligence in online trading is revolutionizing the way traders analyze data, make predictions, and execute trades. Whether it's through algorithmic trading, predictive analytics, or portfolio management, AI offers numerous ways to gain an edge in the markets. However, it's essential to use AI responsibly, considering the risks and ethical implications. The convergence of AI and online trading is like a treasure chest full of possibilities. It's making trading more accessible, efficient, and exciting. As you embark on this journey, remember to navigate responsibly. Embrace the power of AI, but remember, there's no substitute for human intuition and experience. Use the treasure map wisely, keep an eye out for storms, and may your trading ship always find favorable winds.